So let's have a look at the JoyOS Advisor. There are a lot of different embroidery techniques with the designs that are built into the Designer EPIC 3. And if you don't know what those techniques are, you may never even think to use them. So we're going to explore that a little bit today. Open up the JoyOS Advisor. And that screen, by the way, the one that I just showed you, is the home or the opening screen when you turn on your Designer EPIC 3 and you choose between sewing or embroidery, but you can also go into the JoyOS Advisor. JoyOS Advisor will open up with a list of topics, and the one that we're going to explore today is embroidery. So we select embroidery, and across the top we're going to see a number of tabs with different types of embroidery listed on them. So we have freestanding lace, there's cut work, and so on. I believe there's 11 of them in total. Also, if I want to see the designs that are built in to the Designer EPIC 3, I can download or scan a QR code that will take me there, and we'll look at that tomorrow. So for today, we're just going to go into the basic embroidery, and there is one tutorial for basic embroidery. If I went into Applique tab, there are 4 different tutorials. So let's go back to basic, and we're going to select that one and open it up. Now what this is going to do is it's going to open up my embroidery edit screen in the back, and the tutorial comes up in front. So there's 11 pages, so I have step 1 of 11, and I can just scroll through that to get all the information, or I could enlarge my screen as well to get it all on one page. I'm going to select the next page, and this is giving me the list of materials and a little diagram of everything I need to do the basic embroidery. Step 3 tells me I need to connect the embroidery unit, and so on. So it will go through all of those steps for how to do each of the embroidery types. Now, what is great is that if you decide you're going to do a basic embroidery or any of the other techniques that are listed in the JoyOS Advisor, you go, well, how do I find that in the machine? Because I want to do a little sample of it. I want to try it. So the easiest way to do that is to go into your Content tab. You see I have Instruction and Content. There's my content open up. What will open up here are basic embroidery designs that are built into the Designer EPIC 3. So I would select any one, and I can scroll up and down here. They are numbered, so there are more. This is going to give me some idea of ones to play with. We'll select this one here, select and hold. Okay, whoops, and it opened in the background. So now that it's opened on my screen, I can close this with the little X, or if I want to keep that tutorial open, I can use this little underscore, and that will close it, but it is still open in the background. And so there's the lips on the screen. So using the JoyOS Advisor is a great way to learn how to use your the techniques. Now, if you wanted to go back to those instructions, because you say, well, okay, I've got everything set up, but what's next? Then you'll notice at the top here, there's a little icon, looks like a person reading a book. I will select that icon, and it will bring back that tutorial. This is absolutely huge. This is like having, a book. You don't need a book in front of you because you have the information built right into the screen. I absolutely love it. Make sure that you go in and learn or explore the JoyOS Advisor. There is a wealth of information in there.